Welcome. If you've recently sent channel invitations on Facebook and now want to review them, the latest update makes it simple to find everything in one place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to locate all your sent channel invitations using Facebook on your PC. Start by opening Facebook in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From here, select Settings and Privacy. When the menu expands, click on Settings to access your account controls. This is where Facebook organizes all your personal data, activity, and preferences. Next, look for the Activity Log section. Click on Activity Log to open a detailed record of everything you've done on Facebook, including posts, comments, searches, and more. This section is especially useful if you want to track specific actions like invitations. Inside the activity log, find and click on your Facebook activity. This will narrow down your activity into more organized categories, making it easier to locate exactly what you're looking for. Now scroll until you see Messages. Click on it, and you'll find different message-related activities. From there, select Sent Channel Invitations. This section will display all the channel invites you've sent, allowing you to review them anytime. That's it. You now know exactly how to find all your sent channel invitations on Facebook using the latest update. This feature is especially helpful if you manage multiple channels or want to keep track of who you've invited. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Facebook tips and updates so you never miss a feature.